Now in data dictionary we will create one more table as department master, but this time along with department table we will also create a TMG that is called as a table maintenance generator, and we'll assign a transaction code for the table maintenance generator. We'll see what is use of this TMG and why we require this. First, create a table with only one field. Go to SE11, give the name as Z department underscore master, click on create. Let's say department master. This will be the master table for the departments. We are going to maintain all the list of department of our organization in this table. Delivery class A, display maintenance allowed. Go to fields, always select mandate. Second field I am selecting as department, which we have in the first ZEMP underscore master table. The same field I am going to use here. Enter the data element. This will be going to the key field. Save. Local object. Go to technical settings. Delivery class. Master data. Select size category as 0. Log data changes. Save. Check. Go back. Extras. Enhancement category. Select as can be enhanced. Activate. Now till here this is completely same process which we have done in last two sessions, but what we are doing for adding a new entry in this database table, we are using the utilities, table contents and create entry. But this concept we cannot use in the production system for creating an entry to database table, because for the end user we have to give a transaction code. Just like for going to data dictionary, here we enter SE11. Okay, so like this we have to give a T code to the end user for creation of table entries. So for that there is a concept called TMG, table maintenance generator. We have to create the TMG for this table, and then that is assigned to a transaction code. For that, go to here utilities, table maintenance generator. Here we have to enter authorization group. Select no authorization. Here there are different authorization groups that we'll learn in details, but as of now at initial level we'll go with this one only, that is without authorization group. Here we have to give a function group name which system will create automatically on the back end. Select one step maintenance, find screen number, propose screen number. In this case system will automatically assign a screen number. Just continue with this. So screen number 1 is assigned. Click on create. Save. Here on the back end system create a function group, a function module and a screen. So you can see request completed without errors. Now what we can do with this, now our table is ready. We want to add some record in this. For this, instead of going to SE11 we can go to SM30. This is called as maintain table views. Here enter the table name and click on maintain. Click on new entries. From here we can enter the department numbers which we want to add. Okay, so till now what we have done, we have created table and a table maintenance generator. Now my requirement is I want to assign a transaction code for this TMG so that we can assign to a user for the creation. So how to create a transaction code for the TMG? For creating a transaction code, go to SE93. This is the transaction code which we want to provide. I am continuing with same zdp_master. Click on create. Department master. Here there are 5 options are given. So for this parameter transition, that is table maintenance generator, we have to go with last one, that is transition with parameters. Press enter. Here give the transition code as SM30, through which we have just created the record, and click skip initial screen. Select all these 3 checkboxes. Now here in the default values, we have to give the table name. Select here, enter the view name, and the view name which we have created the table name, that is zdp_master. This is our table name. Go to SE12. After creating in SE11, you can check the same with SE12. So this was our table name, zdp_master. And in second row, we have to enter either as show or update. Okay, so we'll continue with update, and here give X. Save as the local object. Go back. Now what we have done, first we have created a table, then we have created table maintenance generator, and after that we have created a transaction code for the table maintenance generator. So after this, for adding the new entries, instead of going into SE11 and utilities for adding of new entries, we can directly add the record from outside. So in this command, enter the transaction code which we have created, that is zdp_master. So here you can see we have reached to the same screen. Click on change mode, click on new entries, and we can add a new department here as per our requirement. Save. So in real time, for small tables, we generally create the TMG, that is called the table maintenance generator, and we assign this transaction code to the end user so that they can add any new record in the table maintenance generator, or they can delete the record as per the business requirement. So in this way, we're done with the third exercise on tables in the data dictionary. The last one is very important, how to create a TMG and also how to assign a transaction code for a table maintenance generator.